Gagraduate ka na ba?
Hindi mag-update ka.
Hey Nationalians, this is Ask NU. I am Bea Lorenzo with.
James Kirby from Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering.
We're back to answer the frequently asked questions now for the programs here in NU Manila. As a civil engineering student, what skills can you develop?
We must develop first is your analytic skills, problem-solving skills, and the applications of these skills into a real-world situation. Of course, we also need to develop yung technical skills such as drawing and the applications of softwares. It will be your foundation in starting your journey.
Since na-mention mo yung mga software, ano yung usually na ginagamit mo?
So, in civil engineering, may introduction to softwares kami tinatawag. Usually, i-introduce muna kami sa mga available tools such as Excel, and then tools such as ComSci na tinutulungan kami with numerical methods. And then, in general, tinuturuan kami with softwares like AutoCAD and other CAD softwares like Revit. As years goes by, habang umaangat ka ng year, and then nagtitake ka ng mga subject, ina-introduce ka rin sa mga softwares like ETABS, or yung mga softwares na specialized sa specialty na kukunin mo in civil engineering.
Meron ba kayong mga laboratory or like hands-on work sa civil engineering?
Yes, of course, in civil engineering, hindi lang kami sa classroom, hindi lang kami nagko-compute. We're not actually secluded in a space. We're actually more introduced in laboratories. So, for the first year, we experienced physics laboratory, and then as time goes by, pag nakakuha ka ng mga courses, ini-introduce ka rin sa mga laboratories katulad ng hydraulic laboratory, material testing, laboratories such as structural theory, and geotechnical laboratories. Meron ding mga laboratories for our design subjects katulad ng reinforced concrete and steel design.
Kanina may nabanggit ka about sa specialization. Pwede mo bang i-expound yun?
To formally introduce yung BSCB, civil engineering actually has a lot of subdisciplinary specialization. So in National University Manila, under BSCB, they actually offer 3 right now, including construction engineering management, structural engineering, and water resource engineering. There is actually one incoming, which is the transportation engineering. That will be mabibigay next year. And I'm actually a water resource engineering, and those disciplinaries actually have a lot of advantage when you're taking civil engineering.
From there, meron ba mga field work for civil engineering students?
For civil engineering students, what I said earlier, we're not secluded in a space. So, yung mga professors namin, they actually allow us to go to communities. May tinatawag kaming capstone design project, which in our first phase of our capstone design, bumababa talaga kami sa communities. So, we assess the communities, we ask the locals kung ano yung problema, and then we actually present them with some engineering solutions. Also, meron din kaming internship. We would be an intern inside a company na makakapag-help sa amin with the experience of fieldwork.
May mga organizations ba tayo for civil engineering students?
So, we are actually guided by the COE Student Council. Actually, hindi lang Student Council, meron din kaming organization na nag-guide talaga, which is yung BIAS NUSC, which is under bigger organization, Philippine Institute for Civil Engineering, which provides us opportunities, binibigyan tayo ng experience, guidance in the field of civil engineering.
For aspiring civil engineering students, ano naman masasabi mo?
As a senior civil engineering student, I want to emphasize na hindi madali yung program. Once you enter civil engineering, I hope you're passionate enough and you have a certain goals in mind, a really good motivation and skills. It will teach you a lot, make you experience a lot, but in the end, it's all worth it once you achieve your goals and see kung ano yung opportunities na magkakaroon inside civil engineering, especially in National University.
Paano maging civil engineering student sa NU Manila?
The enrollment for the academic year 2026-2027 is actually ongoing. So if you want to register, you can just go to NUPress, apply, and then submit your documents to be evaluated.
That's it for civil engineering here in NU Manila. I am Bea Lorenzo with
James Kirby, your civil engineering student
For Us NU!